Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about 7 amazing seeds that are actually higher in protein than meat. Yes, you heard that right. These tiny seeds are powerhouses of nutrition and can be an excellent source of protein for all you vegans and vegetarians out there. First up, we have chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with protein, fiber, and healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Just a small serving of chia seeds can give you a good dose of protein for the day. Next on our list are hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a complete source of protein, meaning they provide all the essential amino acids that our bodies need. They are also rich in healthy fats and minerals, making them an excellent addition to your diet. Moving on, we have pumpkin seeds. These little gems are not only high in protein, but also contain a good amount of iron, magnesium, and zinc. They are great for snacking or adding to your salads and smoothies. Sunflower seeds are another great option for boosting your protein intake. They are also rich in vitamin E, an important antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. Sesame seeds are not only delicious, but also a good source of protein. They are commonly used in cooking and can be easily incorporated into your meals for an extra protein punch. Flax seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, containing protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. They can be ground and added to your smoothies, or sprinkled on top of yogurt or oatmeal. Lastly, we have quinoa, which is technically a seed and not a grain. Quinoa is a complete source of protein and is also high in fiber and various vitamins and minerals. 7 seeds that are higher in protein than meat. Whether you are a vegan, vegetarian, or just looking to add more plant-based protein to your diet, these seeds are a great addition to your meals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nutrition tips.